Hi, welcome to Digital Web Garage. In this session I will show you how to track the users. How we can integrate the Google Analytics into your website and our blog, or how we can track the visitors. Example, daily you are getting a visitors. There are a lot of people are coming into a website. Sometimes the people will come through the advertising, sometimes the people will come through the organic, sometimes the people will come through the social media. There are a lot of ways the people can come and they can see whatever the information we have, whatever the product we are going to purchase, whatever the things that is happening. They can do a lot of things. So whatever the things are happening in the website, if you wanted to track that, if you wanted to track what they are doing, how many pages they are viewing, what product is selling, how many submissions are happening, the people are coming from where, what kind of language they are in, all these things we can track in the Google Analytics. So let's go to integrate the Google Analytics and let's start tracking entire information about the visitors. So I'm going to integrate the Google Analytics right now. So when you enter into Google, let's type it as Analytics. You'll get a first result itself, Analytics. So I'm just beginning. It's a completely beginning. First time I'm installing it. You can check how I'm doing it. So especially I'm showing you it in WordPress website. You can easily do it in the WordPress website. So let's start it. You can see it here. Start measuring. Measuring in the sense it's a completely measuring entire things. What are the people are doing, what they are learning, what their session is happening, entire thing. So click on start measuring. Let's give a name. What name I can give? No. Let's check the name. What name I can? Yeah, I'm giving the name. So the name in the sense it's a analytics name. Whatever the domain you are using, you just have to give that name. That's it. There's nothing, you don't need to think about that. So let's start it. Click on next. So what do you want to analyze? Right now you can analyze website, you can analyze app, you can analyze app plus website, both also. Now I am going to measure only website. So what website we are analyzing? You need to enter the property. Let's give a property. What is the property? So example, I'm just taking one property right now. So this is the website name. So here I am giving, this is the website name. Here I am giving the URL. So basically what happens, HTTP or HTTPS you need to think. So value is required, it's showing there. So let's start. HTTP is in the sense it's an unsecured without SSL URL hyper transport protocol. HTTPS in the sense it comes with the SSL certified website. So mine is not SSL certified, I am just giving it. So example, understood? Website name, website URL. Then let's go to category. What category we are dealing with? So what category? you just have to think and choose the category. So mine is real estate. I'm just choosing reporting time zone India. I'm from India. I'm choosing it from India. If you are from UK or US, if you are from New Zealand, you can choose as per your time zone. There is no restriction. So everything is completed, information is filled up from my side. I'm just clicking and create. So Google is giving some terms and conditions, so you need to accept like that. So what terms and conditions? Country has to be changed here. Yes, yeah, I accept. This is also, you need to read entire information. I'm just clicking. Don't ignore the terms and condition, try to read everything. So once you select, you need to select the checklist, click on I accept. Now it is configuring the analytics tool for my website. So my everything is configured right now. Yeah, so now what I need to do, now I have to paste the analytics, you can see the code here. This code you need to paste it in the header of the website tags. You can see it here. This is the global site tag tracking code for the property. Copy and paste this code in the first item into the head section. So this is the code you can see. So if you don't know to enter here, once you are if you are creating a analytics account in the first time, it will automatically open. If you don't know, if you are already created but it's not configured properly, you can obviously, here is the admin, you need to click on admin, come to tracking. Where is the tracking info? Here you can see tracking code. That's it. There is nothing is different. So here is the code. What we need to do, we need to add the code into head tag before opening the body tag. That means before close the head tag. So I am just putting this code into before close the head tag. So that's why I told you, if you are using a WordPress, this is very easiest way to handle it. I'm using a WordPress. I'm just using a header and footer section program. I'm just installing. That's it. Now I can check what's happening right now. It's installed now. So there is nothing is changed. Now it is installed. Let's check. So it is showing 0 visitors. Now I will check by visiting from my mobile. I'm just checking if it is working or not. The website name I'm just putting in my mobile. Wait for a second, it's opening. Yes, you can see now. Right now mobile user is 1. As I told you, I am opening it from the mobile. That's why it's showing as a mobile user is served. So our data is configured right now. Everything is perfect. So this is how we can add the analytics tool for the website, blog, whatever it may be. What happens, this analytics tool is very, very important for the website or blogs or whatever it may be, because of the measurement. We need to measure everything. So if we measure everything, then only we can do some next step for your business. So hope you guys the analytics integration you have understood. If you have any doubts, you can write it in the comment box, and my next session I will show you how we can use the analytics tool. What are the things will come what are the analytics we can do within this and how we can do that, I will show in my next session. Please like my video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.